Hi guys, Fantasma house. It is officially bonfire night tonight. If you watched our video that we posted before this about the bonfire night we went to yesterday, today we thought, oh, we might actually go and get one bonfire. Well, actually, Anna got some sparklers.
I'm keeping it safe, something I know I can handle.
And then
other things terrify me.
we went to Tesco's and they had a few, and it was either the vampire or the Medusa. And we went for, who did we go for?
Medusa.
So we're going to launch this off. Hopefully we're not going to die.
Don't say that. It's scary. It terrifies me.
It's quite terrifying, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like the way it looks. 100-shot missile cake. That sounds so bad.
It does, doesn't it?
It says what, stay away 8 meters.
8 meters. I don't think we're going to be 8 meters. But
8 meters? Is that what it, wait, 8 meters? I think you said 3. Safety distance, 8 meters.
I said 8 meters earlier. We'd be alright. We got walls to hide behind.
That's 9 times. That's 20.
We'll be fine. So you can hear all the fireworks going off everywhere else. So if we survive this, we do some sparklers as well. But yeah, officially bonfire night. If you don't know what bonfire night is, as I said in the last video, I will put a description of what bonfire night is in England in, obviously, the description. Okay, get ready to die.
And you light it.
Yeah. So you pull this bit off.
Mm-hmm. Oh, then there's the fuse. I see. Okay.
So you're going to do it or am I going to do it?
I'm going to do it too in this. This one terrifies me. But it's Medusa.
Pretty turns to stone.
Oh God, don't say that. This thing looks terrifying though. I had it in my backpack being transported. I thought I was going to blow up in flames. Okay, let's get this over with. Ensure firework will not fall over. Standing sideways. Light fuse. Standing sideways?
You're putting me standing sideways.
This way up. Yeah, it has to be this way up.
100 shot battery of shot tubes requiring external support. So we build some kind of thing around it. Minimum age of supply 18 years.
Do not use fireworks on or adjacent to artificial grass. We don't have artificial grass, so we're good. Are you 18?
Yeah.
Misuse can lead to substantial fire and or imprisonment. Okay, well this is terrifying me, so I'd like to get it out of my face.
Okay, we're gonna go. I'll go and set it up. I guess so.
Buried to this line.
Don't worry about it, be fine. We'll wedge it to this line. So just get the fuse, just take the fuse bit off, and then take this bit off. Is it plastic all the way around, or just?
Well, it's like in there.
Well, you got to take the top bit off, or it's not gonna. Try pulling it or something. So that bit just peels off. Or we can hide around the corner.
Where is it around the corner? Where? Okay, make sure you run.
Here we go.
Relay race. Ooh! Ugh, these make me nauseous. Run, 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 run.
sweet.
Scared, that was terrifying.
It was good. Look at the smoke. Anna, terrified, ran out on the road. We survived. Oh, yeah, I didn't think about that. I was going to make you sneeze now.
Huh?
The smoke.
It sounds like missiles. See, it must be because that's why my eyes are watering.
The smoke. Got the smoke everywhere. It's alright.
That was cool.
That was £5 up in smoke. The smoke everywhere. I guess it's everyone else's fireworks as well. Anna's bit now, sparklers. Bang!
Don't do that to me.
Helps if you get it on the flame. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Yay, it does a little bit more at my speed. Controllable.
What are you doing there?
I'm doing a fairy dance. Or, not really.
Write your name. Everything stinks, doesn't it?
I like the way these smell though. It's amazing they seem like they smell different. They seem to last like a long time.
Still quite a bit left, isn't there? How's the fun? That lasted longer than the firework.
I know, I was just thinking the same thing. I wonder how they make these things. Looks like it's almost done.
Yay. Thank you, neighbours.
That was cool. There was like a few really big. It's amazing how much smoke's out here.
Okay guys, so that was the neighbours' fireworks down there, about 4 doors along. And there it is, ran for our lives because
Almost got him.
this just fell from the sky. And we almost got impaled. Ran for our lives. Did you see it fall down?
Yes, I was like, what? That's crazy.
I mean, look at it. Crazy. Fell from the sky, dug in the ground, almost on top of our firework. Hi guys, next stage, just want to quickly jump on there for 2 seconds. I want to show you the stick that fell from the sky. All gone a bit Final Destination. All the, I mean, look at this thing. See all the burn mark. Could have gone like the scene from The Omen. But yeah, on with the show. Can you see it? Good, isn't it? Yeah.
Did you like both of them? I think we have both of them.
Yeah. Hey. Drive everybody crazy.
Look into my eyes.
Mm. How's it fun?
I feel like a Disney princess.
People sitting there watching going, are we really standing there watching someone with a sparkler?
Yes, they are.
Okay guys, that's it. We are going to wind this one up. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. See you later.